Made a map with all the stars, so you know you're not too far away from me. You're in light when it's my dark.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this really nice rose gold smoky look. I really do hope you enjoy it. This would be perfect for, say, like a wedding guest, or I would even do this as bridal makeup. I have made the skin really dewy, so there's a lot of highlighting going on. I think you can get away with it for summer. By the way, I am filming this intro on my phone. For some reason my camera isn't picking up sound at the moment, so I do apologise. But without further ado, I really hope you enjoy the tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my Simple Kind to Eyes balm, and this is just to hydrate my eyes but also act as a primer. Next I'm going to be taking this primer by Loreal. This is a really hydrating primer, but it's also going to give the skin a real luminous look. I can't forget you. Now I'm mixing my foundation with some liquid highlighter drops. I really like this combination together because it makes the skin look really fresh and dewy. I'm using a beauty blender here because I feel like these products do blend out better with the sponge. Then I'm taking this NYX HD Concealer and applying this in a triangle motion underneath my eyes, and also using my beauty blender to blend that out.
See your map up in the stars. Now I know I'm not too far away from you. I want you back inside.
I'm also taking this concealer down the bridge of my nose and on my chin just to highlight the high points of my face. Then I'm using this No. 7 powder to set my face. As you can see, my brush started shedding, so I did have to change it, which is why you see a different brush in the next clip. Then I'm just using this finely milled powder by e.l.f. just to set under my eyes. This is better than the face powder because it is just a bit thinner. Then I'm using this translucent powder by Natural Collection just to bake on my chin because this area does get really oily for me. Next I'm just filling in my eyebrows with my NYX eyebrow pencil. I use a combination of this and also you'll see the e.l.f. eyebrow powder. This is really good because I do have quite sparse brows, so it creates the look of natural hair. Then I'm just using some clear mascara just to set my eyebrows down. I'm using Bare Study by MAC. It's quite a shimmery pink pot, which I really like when you're not using many matte colours. First transition shade for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using Limit from the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. Just applying this in the crease, just until it blends out nicely.
Made a map with all the stars, so you know you're not too far.
Then I'm just doing the exact same thing with the colour Nooner, just to add some depth.
I know this distance makes it hard for us to see.
And then taking this gloss eyeshadow palette from Boots and using this silver colour just to pack on the inner corner. Then using this champagne gold colour and applying it to the rest of my eyelid. After all the shimmery colours are applied, I'm just going back into my transition shades and just making sure it blends out. Then also putting a little bit of the darker colour Nooner on the outer corner. Then taking Nooner again, just on the outer corner on my lower lash line, just to smoke it out a bit. Taking the silver colour again from the gloss palette, I'm just highlighting my inner corners. Then using the shade Incandescent Light from this Hourglass Ambient lighting palette and using it to highlight underneath my brow bone. Next I'm just curling my eyelashes and going on with mascara. So the first one I'm using is this Rimmel Lash Accelerator mascara. Doing a few coats of that, and then also later on I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. In between the coats of mascara, so I can let it dry a bit, I'm using my Chocolate Soleil Too Faced bronzer. Then for a little bit of light contouring, I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour shade underneath my chin and also on my cheekbones. I'm applying this highlighter by Bobbi Brown in the shade Pink Glow on my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose and also above my cupid's bow. I'm using this dark nude lip liner by Loreal. On my top lip I do outline just a tiny bit just because it's a lot smaller than my bottom lip, but you can just line your lips how you would normally. Then I'm using this pinky nude liquid lipstick. I really do like this because it is quite opaque, but you do have to be quite careful because it can go a bit patchy.
Made a map with all the stars.
The last step is to use my Smashbox primer water. This can be used as a primer or a setting spray. I really do like it just to set my makeup in place all day. And that's the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and comment, and I hope to see you next time.
I've been waiting so long just to see you. I've been sleeping alone. I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you.